Automate the Boring Stuff with Python by Al Swigart is your key to unlocking a world where tedious tasks are a thing of the past. This book invites you on a journey to learn Python, a powerful and versatile programming language, by diving headfirst into practical automation projects. No prior coding experience? No problem. Swigart's friendly and engaging style makes learning Python accessible and, dare we say, fun. Imagine effortlessly organizing files on your computer, renaming hundreds of photos in seconds, or even having your computer send you a notification when your favorite website updates. These are just a few examples of the magic you can achieve with Python automation, and this book is your guide to making them a reality. Throughout the book, Swigart breaks down complex concepts into bite-sized pieces, using clear explanations and real-world examples. You'll learn by doing, building small, practical programs that automate everyday tasks. As you progress through the book, you'll gain a solid foundation in Python programming, equipping you to tackle even more ambitious automation projects. New to the second edition is a chapter dedicated to input validation, a crucial aspect of robust programming. Input validation ensures that your programs receive the correct type of data, preventing errors and unexpected behavior. Imagine you have a program that asks the user for their age. Without input validation, a user could accidentally enter text instead of a number, causing your program to crash. Input validation techniques, covered extensively in this new chapter, help you prevent such scenarios by ensuring that your programs only accept valid data. The second edition expands on its predecessor with enhanced content on automating tasks using Gmail and Google Sheets, two indispensable tools in our digital lives. Imagine automatically sending personalized emails, extracting data from spreadsheets, or even updating Google Sheets with information from the web, all with the power of Python automation. With clear explanations and practical examples, the book guides you through the process of interacting with these platforms using Python. You'll learn how to use Python libraries to send emails with attachments, read and write data to Google Sheets, and even create custom functions within your spreadsheets. Section 4. Exploring practical applications, files, web scraping, and more. Beyond Gmail and Google Sheets, Automate the Boring Stuff covers a wide range of practical applications for your newfound Python skills. You'll learn how to manipulate files and folders on your computer, extract information from websites using web scraping techniques, and even control your keyboard and mouse using Python. The book also introduces you to regular expressions, a powerful tool for searching and manipulating text. Mastering regular expressions opens up a world of possibilities for automating text-based tasks, from finding specific patterns in documents to cleaning and formatting data. Section 5. Practical Learning for a Practical Language. Automate the Boring Stuff with Python. Second edition stands out for its practical, hands-on approach. Each chapter is packed with step-by-step instructions, clear code examples, and engaging practice projects that reinforce your learning. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some coding experience, this book provides a clear and engaging path to mastering Python for automation. By the end of the book, you'll have the skills and confidence to automate a wide range of tasks, freeing up your time and making you more productive in your daily life. Thank you for watching, subscribe, and comment for more videos.